I graduated from Buffalo State when it was a college, if you can believe that. I was involved in the very beginning of the founding of the television and film program. Now I've taught and I've sponsored scholarships, and this seemed like a really great way to have the students interact with professionals, which they will be someday. I think the city is a remarkable place to shoot because there is the great architecture that we have, but there's also just such a great sense of community. So what they're getting is an education about how we work together and how much fun we can have while we're doing it.